We're cutting across to live visuals now coming in, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah is flagging off a mobile RT-PCR lab today at the ICMR, the Indian Council for Medical Research. This is happening in Delhi. ICMR, of course, has been leading the fight with several other bodies as far as the COVID-19 fight is concerned. Amit Shah there for the inauguration, or rather the flagging off in this case. Let's also go across to my colleague Piyush for more. Piyush.
एक बार फ्रेम में ले लीजिए सर. Well, Shivani, we are right now present at ICMR where Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reached. I would ask Parvez to give you visuals. Any moment from now, he will be here and he is here to inaugurate a COVID-19 RT-PCR mobile testing laboratory. Remember, this laboratory, COVID-19 mobile testing laboratory, will be able to do at least 3,000 tests per day, which will give the results in just 6 hours. And it's going to be a massive revolution as far as the testing of COVID cases are concerned. We know that how there has been a massive demand of increasing the number of tests across the country. What we are also picking is that it's going to be a massive inauguration at the part of Home Minister Amit Shah, who is here at ICMR. Any moment from now, we'll see his visuals. Though the officials of HM, they are already here. The officials of ICMR, they are already here. From some officials from AIMS, even they are here. And what we can tell to our viewers that it is a MOU which has been signed between SpiceJet. This is an initiative which has been promoted by SpiceJet and ICMR. And SpiceJet has now set up these portable testing facilities across the country. And the first testing laboratory will be inaugurated in ICMR in National Capital. Each day, the lab can process up to 3,000 tests. And in just 6 hours after conducting the tests, in just 6 hours, reports of tests can come. What we are also picking is that there is an MOU which has been signed between SpiceJet and ICMR, which has also got certifications from ICMR and NABL. What we are also picking is that in the first phase, around 20 such labs will be there in the first phase. Let me also ask Parvez to give you visuals of this laboratory. You can see that's a mobile testing laboratory which we are showing to our viewers on our television screens. That's a MOU which has been signed between ICMR and Spice Health. That's what we are telling to our viewers. And also you can read it's mentioned here, COVID-19 RT-PCR mobile testing laboratory, which will be inaugurated here by Home Minister Amit Shah. We know that the number of COVID-19 cases are increasing day by day, not only in National Capital but also different parts of the country. And looking at the worrisome situation now, finally this inauguration is being done so that the testing can increase. And there was a demand also, a huge demand, in which the people were asking that the testing must be increased. And right now, as we are speaking, we can expect any moment from now Home Minister Amit Shah to be in our frame, because I can see him walking by, and any moment from now he will be in our frame, and then he will be reaching here on the stage and will be inaugurating this testing laboratory. Once again, Parvez can show, and I will try to show you the visuals
ICMR
of
officials, and he's being briefed on some other aspects. Where you are, you have that mobile van. So you can tell us a little bit more about that, even as Amit Shah is yet to make his way out to flag off that van. But we have some of his visuals on air, which is inside the ICMR's headquarters. Piyush.
Yes, Shivani, absolutely. That's the other side. He's inside ICMR office, and any moment from now he'll be here on the stage. But let us also explain to our viewers, that's the moving laboratory. In fact, moving laboratory, mobile testing laboratory, and it's in the form of a truck. If Parvez can zoom in, and we'll try to explain to our viewers, it's in the form of a truck in that particular laboratory. Anywhere this truck goes, anywhere this laboratory moves, they can go in remote areas also where they can do testing of people in large numbers. During the initial phase of pandemic also, we had seen that how there was some moving laboratories, mobile testing laboratories, and again it's a huge mobile testing laboratory I can see. And not only in Delhi but in different parts of the country also, similar mobile testing laboratories will be inaugurated. And in the first phase, around 20 such laboratories will be used by the officials so that the testing can increase in large numbers and people can be tested in large numbers. We have seen how in hotspots it was quite difficult for the officials to test each and everyone, but with the help of these mobile testing laboratories, one can do testing of at least 3,000 people, and that's a big big thing which we are picking is that 3,000 people can be tested in just one day, and the results of these tests can come in just 6 hours. So it will be a massive revolution, and that's the entrance of office. If Parvez can try to zoom in, we'll try to once again show you the visuals of Indian Council of Medical Research office, where right now as we are speaking, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is, and he will be walking from that area towards this stage, and we can see him coming out because he's being surrounded by some officials also. He's also, like we were talking, that he was being briefed by some officials also. Now we can see him walking, and now any moment from now he will be in our frame. Yes, he is walking, and Parvez can zoom in and we'll try to show to our viewers the visuals of Amit Shah, who is now coming here, and he will be inaugurating this COVID-19 RT-PCR mobile testing laboratory, which will be really helpful in combating the deadly virus, which has, which is claiming lives of many people per day. In Delhi itself, we are seeing how more than 7,000 cases are being reported almost every day. This is a big problem which has now erupted, and looking at the number of people who are dying and the number of cases those are being reported, looking at that, this is going to be a massive revolution as far as the testing is concerned. Amit Shah is now walking. We can see this on our television screen. So, any moment from now, he'll be here on the stage, and he will be inaugurating this mobile testing laboratory. He, along with few officials of ICMR, they are now coming here, and we'll have to wait and watch what Union Home Minister Amit Shah says. We know that he was the one who had, in the initial days also of pandemic, had done the similar thing where he had himself intervened and chaired many meetings after that, after which the cases in National Capital had come under control. And now similar sort of activity, similar sort of attempt is being done by Union Home Minister Amit Shah himself. We have seen that how at North Block, in his office itself, he had chaired many meetings. In those meetings, we had seen that how also Harshvardhan, Health Minister Harshvardhan is also here with Amit Shah, with Home Minister Amit Shah, and it is going to be very important even today, because it's going to be a big day, because this mobile testing laboratory is going to play a crucial role as far as the testing of COVID cases in the country are concerned. Now he has reached here, like we were discussing, Shivani, that Amit Shah was the first person who had himself intervened and who had himself taken up the charge and chaired meeting. We had seen that how Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister, LG Anil Baijal, and also many officials of Home Ministry and also Delhi Health Ministry, when they had reached there in that particular meeting. And after that, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal chaired similar sort of meetings, and after that many decisions were taken by Home Ministry itself. Right now we are showing you the visuals of this inauguration, which is now taking place. Home Minister Amit Shah is now doing inauguration of COVID-19 RT-PCR mobile testing laboratory, and it's in the form of a huge truck which will be going in remote areas of different cities, will be doing testing of a lot of people at one time in just one go. Like we were telling to our viewers that to speed up the testing, this has been done, and it is going to be a massive revolution as far as the testing is concerned. We are showing you the live visuals of this event, which is now taking place here at ICMR headquarters, which is right next to AIIMS, and this is being inaugurated in AIIMS from Delhi. And from here, the similar sort of activity will be done in different parts of country. What we are also picking is that it's an initiative which has been done by Spice Health. That's the MOU which was signed between Spice Health and ICMR, and each lab can process up to 3,000 tests and reports per day. So this is a very big thing. We are also showing you pictures of
important to mention here also, Piyush, that all of these were measures that were announced after the Home Minister led a panel and looked at ways to control the surge of the cases in the national capital. As part of those measures, increase in testing by the ICMR and also the setting up of mobile testing vans were some of the key points. In fact, the Home Minister had asked the ICMR to increase their testing from about 27,000 to 37,000 tests per day. And more of such samples are now being collected from the national capital. And mobile testing vans were to be set up in vulnerable areas. And that exactly is now what is going to take place, because the situation in the national capital, Anuj, Piyush, has been a little tricky. And the Home Minister himself has been taking stock of that situation.
Well, yes, Shivani, like you were discussing, we were telling to our viewers that how it was really worrisome situation when the cases had increased. Now we are showing you the pictures that how Home Minister Amit Shah is here, and he is now going to inaugurate this. He is going to cut the ribbon, and it's going to be a big ceremony here. We are showing you the pictures of this event, which is all set to begin. We saw that now this inauguration is being done. Amit Shah, along with Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, they are now cutting this ribbon to inaugurate this mobile testing laboratory. And remember, it's going to play a very crucial role as far as the testing is concerned. Home Minister Amit Shah, along with Health Minister Harshvardhan, they are here. They have just now inaugurated to this COVID-19 RT-PCR mobile testing laboratory. And like I was telling to our viewers that around 3,000 reports can be accessed, and similar number of now he's going inside. We are showing the pictures how Home Minister is now going inside. We believe that he'll take a tour of this laboratory. He's now entering inside laboratory, and he's right now being briefed by officials of ICMR who are now telling him as to what all facilities are there. Let's try to hear. Let's try to hear what the official is saying.
And all of this is made in India.
Now Home Minister Amit Shah is now going inside. We are showing you the live pictures of this laboratory where Amit Shah is now entering. Live pictures. He, along with Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, they have now gone inside. We will be getting these pictures from news agency ANI, but at the same time, we are showing you pictures from outside where we are here, and we are trying to show you the live pictures of this tour which is being taken by Home Minister Amit Shah. He, along with Health Minister Harshvardhan, they have now gone inside. And meanwhile, as we are speaking, we are also trying to show you the pictures from right outside this van. If Parvez can try to zoom in and try to show you the pictures. We are showing you the pictures of this laboratory from outside, where Home Minister and Health Minister, they have now gone inside. Though due to COVID protocols, we are not allowed to go inside. But we are showing you pictures from right outside where this COVID testing laboratory has now been inaugurated. Mobile testing laboratory which has been inaugurated by Home Minister Amit Shah. He has now gone inside. Like we were discussing, and we were telling to our viewers that how it will be very crucial, very important for the places like Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Rajasthan, where the number of COVID cases are increasing. How it will be very, very crucial because every day 3,000 reports can be accessed, and also the same time number of people can be tested. A similar number of people can be tested in just one day, and what we are picking is that around in just 6 hours, reports of the testing. Reports of these tests will come out. So this is going to be a big revolution as far as ramping up testing of COVID cases are concerned. We are also showing you the pictures of this inauguration which has now taken place. Home Minister Amit Shah is now coming out. He has just taken a tour of this laboratory. We are showing you the live pictures. He, along with Union Health Minister, they are now coming out. They have just taken a tour, and before that, they also inaugurated. We believe they might speak a word with media, because we know that how there are some certain steps those have been taken by Home Minister Amit Shah. He himself chaired very crucial meetings on the rising cases in national capital, and again, he is here, which certainly tells us that how he is personally monitoring each and every development which is taking place. He has just inaugurated the mobile testing laboratory. Yeah. And he is now coming out after he's also speaking with officials. We believe he might speak to media, but right now he's also having some sort of discussions with some officials. And it's going to be very important to note that that this facility will be very useful and very crucial for a lot of people who are affected due to COVID, and also the kind of cases those are now increasing day by day. Now Amit Shah is now leaving from here, though he has just inaugurated this laboratory. We believe that this laboratory is going to play a very crucial role as far as the detection of cases are concerned. We have seen that how with the help of cases those are being detected. The cases the officials are able to even curb those cases. But right now, as we are speaking, Shivani, we are also showing you the